Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix black screen problem on Roblox app. So first thing first, go to settings right here, then apps, then Roblox. Scroll down until you find storage and cache option. Click on that. Click clear cache and it will fix your problem. If it's not, you have to clear storage. Click on that button right here and delete. Also, if it doesn't help, go to App Store, delete the app, go to Play Market, and download again. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more. Leave a comment in the section below. Thank you for watching. Bye.